I was really excited to receive this GORNERGRAT phone holder. It works really great. In the box, you get the holder, magnets you can put on the back of your phone or your case. So this is the case, and I absolutely love this thing. This is the magnetic part. It has this really sturdy magnetic loop that you can use as a phone stand. And then it has this elastic loop right here, which you can put your finger in while it's on when your phone's right here. And it turns any which way you want, any which way, just like that. So let me get my phone and I'll show you. So on the back of your phone, if you have a MagSafe case, it just goes like that. Then you have this and it turns. So you can be like a phone stand, just like that. Or it can be like that. There's me. And this also just turns like that. You can hold it. I'll show you that it does not fall off. Shake, shake, shake. Not falling off. So this is a great stand. It's like the best combo. I've had ones that are loops and I've had ones like this, and it's the best combination. And it's thin enough. You can see how thin it is. It's thin enough that it will still charge through magnetic chargers. So I've used it on my bedside charger and it works great. So I really highly recommend this phone loop holder, and it just comes right off like this. Boop, and then back on. Really recommend this if you're needing something like this. I love to have a stand and I love to have a holding loop. So it's 5 stars for me.